Who's the one
Okay,
outside?
everyone, this is the part 2. And now, let's continue.
Now guys, this is gonna be the end of part 1.
Okay, guys, it's done. Bro, the night is done.
They,
It's safe.
he's they.
Bro, someone get the
He's
apple.
they.
Someone get the apple MC.
Yo, what's up guys?
Yeah.
Well, what happened?
Yes, I got the shotgun.
Bro, so expensive. Why did you buy
it?
it?
Have gotten the apple tree?
Bro, it's so
Bro.
expensive. Why did you freaking buy it?
There's so much apple in this shit.
Apple MC.
Yo, what if I turned on? Yo, what if I maxed out my quality?
It's
Oh
nothing.
shit. Hide in the bathroom.
Yo, Sala.
Bro, that's my hiding spot.
Bro,
Skip.
I am ready. Bro, turn on the light. Just turn on the light. I am ready.
Okay.
Give me the light. Yes. Come on. I'm ready.
Right.
I'm ready, bro. Ha! Go in this side.
Zahide. Okay. What the? Bro! Why?
Inmate 1-1. Bro, I almost shot.
What the fuck? Yo, older male figure.
Come on.
Yo, Skip, bro. What are you doing?
Come on.
Bro, Skip, what are you doing?
Come on, bro. Come on. Open the door. Just open the door.
No, just close it. So
Trust
if,
me.
so you know it's gonna go inside, bro.
Yo, wait, what about Shui?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you want?
Bro. One summer
Come
night.
on.
Bro, turn off the lights.
No,
Come
just
on.
kidding.
Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Show up. Once I shot it, hide. We gotta hide.
Okay. What? Bro, there's no monster.
Bro, lead him.
There's no monster, bro.
Bro, try the Christmas tree.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Bro, there's no monster sounds. Bro.
Bro, you go. Bro, cover me. Go behind my back.
Bro, why
go
the
behind my
hell are you
back.
scared, bro?
Yo, someone give me.
Bro, I'm a creepy pasta. Why should I be scared? Okay, never mind. Let me just sit here. Yeah.
There's no monster here, bro.
Shoot!
Oh!
I missed the shot!
No way. What is wrong with it?
No way, there's no way.
Daddy, help me. There's just no way, bro.
Bro, what the fuck? I just got Hitlered. Bro, you can refill. Bro,
Okay.
I can refill my clips.
Yo, it's done. Go.
Help
Puppet
me.
girl.
Help, what the fuck?
Puppet girl. What do you mean, puppet girl?
Puppet girl.
Bata no yung
Revolver.
Oh, what the?
Let's go buy some bomb traps.
Bro, I bought planks.
Bro, did you buy the shotgun?
Wait. I'm going to plant the bomb trap.
Bro, you can hide here.
yeah.
I will hide.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Bro, get out.
Bro, I still have my
Yo, I
shotgun.
got
Bro,
the planks.
bro.
Yo, I got the planks.
Let's
Yo,
all
come
get
here,
in there. Bro,
come here.
skip.
Bro, I swear.
Bro, skip.
Bro, cover me in the back. You two, cover me in the back. Cover me. Cover me in you. Cover me.
Well, let's just go in the
Take a look at
bathroom.
the back, bro. Take a look at the back. Magkikis ko.
One summer na. One summer night.
Bro, I'm not gonna close the door.
Okay,
I'm not
okay,
gonna
okay.
close the door.
Bro, bring out your shotgun. Bring out your
Turn off
shotgun.
the light. Turn
No,
off the light.
that's a punishment. That's a punishment. That's a punishment.
One summer
Robert is
night.
barricade.
Shade of night.
How can I see the enemy without light? We're just gonna die.
Polar opposites.
What the? Polar opposites. Bro, that's like a bro, that's a romance anime. Bro, that's a romance anime, bro. That's a romance anime.
Ah! How am I still alive? Bro, how am I still alive? I got jump scared. Bro, I got jump scared. I'm still alive.
Yo, we are winning!
Oh. Bro, why always me? It's always me. It's always me, bro. How am I still alive? How am I still alive?
This nigga is still alive!
How am I still alive, bro? I got jump scared 2 times.
This nigga is still alive! Bro, I missed all my shots.
Please don't touch, bro. The 3rd time, I'm getting jump scared 3 times. Oh, I'm down. I'm down. Oh, hell
Yo,
no.
Krampus, is that you?
Yo, I can't see
Is that
anything.
you, Krampus?
I'm down. Bro, I'm down. I'm gonna die, bro. Yo, can someone get me at the Apple House? I'm down. I'm down.
Krampus is there, Krampus.
Yes, yes. Who's this? Who revived me? Caleb, Caleb.
I still have my shotgun. No, my shot. Shotty black.
Krampus, is that you, Daddy? Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Bum, 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 bum. Yo, yo, yo. I hate this. I'm gonna leave this game. I'm gonna leave this game.
I'm here, bro. I'm here.
Bro looks so zesty.
I'm gonna leave this game.
Stop moving.
Caleb, Caleb.
Guys?
Hey. George, it's right there. It's right there.
Bum, 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 bum.
Yes. What the?
Yes.
Yo, what the? What is
What
this?
the-
Queen?
Bro, who is this?
What the heck? What is this?
Yo, who is this?
Bro, who is this? Oh, oh. Bro, what is this phone? What is this phone?
What is this?
Yeah, come on. That's what you get. That's what you get.
Yeah, come on.
Ay, bro, it's not tough. Bro, it's not tough.
Boy, this is freaking tough, bro.
Backstory.
Go on, get him. Punch him in the face. Go. Yeah. Come on, punch him in the face. Yeah. Yeah, you better get out. Better get out. What the hell? Yeah, get out. Get grabbed. Smell the food. Smell the food.
Yo, what the fuck is this game about?
Oh, nah. Hit him, go, go. Yeah, what you got? What you got? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, not Santa. Not Santa too, bro. Someone got
How
thrown.
did bro not treat into
Oh, the girl. The girl. Oh, you did. Now what the hell is happening, bro? What the hell is happening? Get out.
What is this?
Get out.
Everything so cinematic.
Boom! Headshot! 2-2. Bang! Huh. Bang! Go! Get him! Get him! Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get.
Yo!
No, not the gun. Not the gun. Not the gun.
Nah, bro.
Yes. Yes, we win. Finally. Yes.
The focus cutscene.
Okay, that's for today, everyone.
Alright guys, that's the end of part 2. Thank you.
Yeah.
Stay
What
tuned.
the heck is that outro, bro? Okay, everyone. That's what we played and what we
Oy, laro
recorded today.
tayo, Cracker City.
Thank you and thank you for playing. And I will record. Maybe I don't know, but I will record. Okay. Goodbye. Thank
Ito na
you.
granny shoot.